Hey guys, in this video, we're going to be talking about how to use Newegg for business and bulk orders. So let's just get straight into the video. So using Newegg for business and bulk orders is the best achieved through neweggbbusiness.com and not the application itself. So you can simply go ahead into any browser you prefer using, head to simply go ahead into this website called newegg.com or neweggbbusiness.com, just like that. And once you're in here, this is exactly where you can go ahead and do it for B2B. So it's a specialized B2B division separate from the main consumer site, so newegg.com. And Newegg Business caters to corporations, government agencies, and educational institutions with features like dedicated account managers, net terms, and volume pricing. I hope this video clarifies everything for you. If you have further more queries, feel free to comment down below, and I'll see you on the next one.